Good evening, boys and girls. Tonight I have a nonfiction story, which means everything in the story is true, and it's called Frozen Worlds. It's by Karen Jenner. How about that? Frozen Worlds. And it has a list of contents because there's different things on different pages, so it helps us to find it. Okay, the Arctic. The Arctic is a very cold place. Brr. It is at the top of the earth. The Arctic Ocean is full of ice. So it shows us at the top. In other words, the North Pole. Life in the Arctic. These children live in the Arctic. They dress warmly to play in the snow. Polar bears. Polar bears live in the Arctic too. These furry animals like to eat fish. I believe they also like to eat seals. On the move, a reindeer pulls a sleigh across the snow. Zoom, here comes a snowmobile. In the Arctic, some people use reindeer to get around. Not just Santa. The Antarctic. The Antarctic is at the bottom of the earth. It is even colder than the Arctic. So here's the Antarctic or South Pole. And it's colder. Wow. Icebergs. Big icebergs float in the sea. The icebergs melt. Drip, drip, drip. An iceberg is like a big, huge ice cube floating in the ocean. Some of these are bigger than a house, bigger than a school bus, maybe even bigger than our school. Penguins. Emperor penguins live in the Antarctic. They swim in the cold sea and look for fish to eat. Even though they're a bird, they don't fly, but they fly in the water. Isn't that silly? They swim really well. Sea animals. Splash! A whale leaps out of the water. A seal watches from the rocks. Light show. Sometimes the night sky lights up in many colors. What an amazing sight. Now I know in the North Pole they call that the Aurora Borealis. I don't know if it's a same or different name at the Antarctic, but they both can have these fabulous light shows. Someday I hope to see it in person. And that's it. And it's got an index, so if you needed to find like emperor penguins, it tells you what page to look on. And that's it. Our frozen worlds. Interesting. So, that's it for tonight. Good night, sleep tight, and happy dreams. Bye.